Next! 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 Next!
With whom do I speak about adding a new wing to the library?
With meme! Approved! By the way, I believe the proper pronunciation is library.
I'd like approval for a parade through town to celebrate my half-birthday.
Half birthday approved.
I think this village should have moving sidewalks.
I don't know.
Do you want to live in a world without moving sidewalks?
Excellent argument. Approved.
Hey, Nux. Why are you in the mayor's office stamping bills into law?
I'm doing my civic duty. I'll grow up, Sonic. Civic.